Hello and hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed and liked my video, feel free to subscribe and like.
For today's video, I would love to share with all of you about sounds. Quiet. Kevin and Jill are waiting for the parade. What sounds can they hear? It is quiet. They hear the wind in the trees and a bird singing. A mouse is very quiet. Can you be as quiet as a mouse? Loud. What sound is that? It is a hammer. Its sound is very loud. It makes the bird fly away. What sound is that? It is a motorcycle. Far away, it sounds quiet. Close up, it sounds very loud. Talking. What sound is that? It is Kevin and Alex talking. But Jill wants to hear the parade. She puts a finger to her lips. Shh. When you talk, your sounds makes words. When you read or write, letters stand for sounds. Time sounds. What sound is that? It is a bell ringing. Some sounds make you jump, like a siren. Voices. What sound is that? Someone is singing. The crowd shout and cheer. A voice can make lots of sounds. It can be high or low sounds, loud or soft sounds. High and low sounds. What sound is that? It is a big drum. It makes a low sound. This is triangle. It makes a high sound. So does a whistle. The roar of a bear is a low sound. Can you roar like a bear? Music. What sound is that? The band is playing music. The trumpets are very loud. Music can make you happy or sad. It can make you want to dance.
That is all. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.